Hello everyone, this is Miss Smith, and the purpose of this really quick video is for me to kind of walk you through what we're doing with week 6 and week 7 of our class, okay? And so week 6 is now available to you, and so when you go into week 6 class, you will notice that there are two different assignments that are due. The first one is a proposal memo, and the second one is a progress report. Now, normally in a regular 16-week semester, we would split these two assignments up. But because it's summer and because our time is constricted a little bit more, we're going to do both of these assignments together. They're not hard assignments, but you want to make sure that you pay attention, very close attention, to all of the information that helps you prepare for these assignments and to the specific assignment details. And so, just to kind of quickly go over week 6, there's a video here that talks about information from the textbook about proposal memos, and then the proposal memo assignment overview. But then you also have some readings here, and these are pretty short readings this week. It's not a whole lot, from chapter 8 and then from chapter 4 to help us understand short reports, progress reports, and proposals. Okay, your memos will be discussed in chapter 4. So again, you're doing a proposal memo. So we need to understand both pieces of that. And so this overview will prepare you for the proposal memo assignment, okay? And you can download the proposal memo template document here. So here's what I mean when I say the template document. You must create your proposal memo on this document. Okay, and this will give you the memo template that you need. And so what you want to do in Word is open up this document, download it, open up, and then just begin typing at this point, okay, the information that I'm asking you for. Okay, so make sure you read what's in our weekly class content, but then when you open this document, make sure you also read this information as well. Now, of course, you need to fill in the information that's here in the to, from, and date section. I've already filled in the regarding section or the subject line for you. But do not panic if it does not save. This happens sometimes, and it is a Microsoft Word issue. It's not necessarily your fault that that's happening. So don't panic. Don't aggravate yourself. If it's not saving the first 2 or 3 times you try to put it in, then just leave it, okay? But that is what you're going to use for your proposal memo assignment. You want to make sure that you keep all of my subheadings in here, okay? Definitely take this off at the bottom, but keep all of my subheadings that are here in bold. I should see subheadings in your proposal memo document, okay? Now, also in week 6, like I said, we have a second assignment, and that's the progress report. And so with the progress report, it's a completely different assignment. It's testing a different skill, okay, that you need for the workplace. And in this assignment, I give you a different scenario. In this scenario, you have to give an update on a project that you're working on, okay? I want to point out to you that you also have to use a memo with this one, okay? So this is the memo that I give you that you can download from week 6 content. Now you notice in this one, I don't give you the subheadings. Okay, I want you to create your own subheadings. Now, I tell you which ones to use, which subheadings to use, but I want you to figure out how to put them in there, how to design them, how to make them look presentable. Okay, and so with the proposal memo, I put all of the subheadings there. You can just kind of begin typing right after them. But with the progress report, you need to figure out how you're going to design that memo. Are you going to use underline for your subheadings? Are you going to use bold for your subheadings? Whatever design you choose to go with, you just want to be consistent with it. Okay? So you get to determine the look of your document. So like I said, I do give you the subheadings that I want you to use. Introductory summary, work completed, problems or challenges, work remaining, and conclusion. These need to be a part of your memo. Okay, and that is your progress report. Excuse me, these need to be a part of your progress report. And finally, you notice that here you have a table that's in this assignment scenario, this assignment overview. I want you to make sure that you include this same table in your progress report, but you want to make sure that you've made the necessary adjustments. In this scenario, you've run into some challenges and you need to tell your homeowner that some costs might have to be adjusted. And so that needs to be reflected in this table, okay? To make your lives just a little bit easier, what I've done is I have linked a copy of this Word document that contains this very table. And so what you can do is you can copy and paste this table into your proposal, excuse me, into your progress report assignment. Okay, so you can copy and paste this table into your progress report and just make sure that you make the necessary adjustments as needed for your final version of this. Does that make sense? Okay, and so instead of you trying to recreate it from the weekly class content, I've also included this Word document so that all you have to do is copy and paste it, but then just make sure that you do make those necessary adjustments. So hopefully that makes your life a little bit easier. To submit your progress report, just click right here. To submit your proposal memo, click right here. Now, if you have questions after you've read over all of this information and watched all the information that I've provided for you, please let me know. I am happy to answer them for you. Take care, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday break. Oh, before I forget, one thing really quickly. Week 7 class is posted as well. But there's nothing in it really. And so if we look at week 7 really quickly, week 7 class is just wishing you a happy July 4th holiday. Next week is our summer break. We're off the whole week. I have not posted any new assignments for next week. And so it kind of gives you that extra week to get that proposal memo and that progress report done. Okay? But I hope you do have a restful and relaxing holiday break, and I will see you when we return. Take care.